Okay, so on this video, I'm just going to show you how to run a Friedmans ANOVA. So remember now, Friedmans ANOVA is going to be several related groups. Okay, so these are the same people measured more than 2 times. Okay, so instead of a Man Whitney U, we're going to use a Friedmans because we got the same people measured more than 2 times. So here we go. So we're going to go up here to Analyze. We're going to go down to Non-Parametric Tests again. We're going to go to Related Samples. And normally it's going to open up here on this screen. We're going to go to Fields. These are variables that we're measuring. So the key thing here is you have to go to Settings. Okay. Normally this looks like this screen, but what you're going to do is you're going to click on Customize Tests. And there's a whole bunch of tests to pick from. So in this case, we're going to go down to Friedmans and we're going to, normally it's unchecked. We're going to check it, leave everything else the same as it is. And you're going to click Run. Okay, so you get quite a lot of output here. Where you're going to look is right here, and you can see that this value 0.905 tells us that there is not a significant difference between these wait periods at the start, at 1 month, and at 2 months. So in this case, there's not a difference, and people's weight stayed the same. Now again, remember we're looking at rankings, okay? So it's saying the rank of 1.9 is no different from 2, which is no different from 2.10. So that is a Friedmans ANOVA. Usually what's going to happen, if you run a Friedmans ANOVA and this is significant, then you have to go back and you have to run a pairwise comparison to compare weight at start versus weight at 1 month, and weight at start versus weight at 2 months, weight at 1 versus weight at 2. Okay, so that you can know where those differences lie, because this number doesn't tell us where those differences lie. But that is a Friedmans ANOVA.